Having a stress-intense winter, this recipe will help you relax naturally. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, here to share with you our relaxing textured massage bar. For this recipe, we'll need 2 tablespoons of solid coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of beeswax, tapioca pearls, myrrh essential oil, and Ravensara essential oil, and soap molds. To start, I am going to add my beeswax to my coconut oil and I'm going to melt it. The coconut oil is going to be really nourishing for your skin, and the beeswax is going to help hold it together and create a protective layer on your skin. To melt this, you can either put it in a double boiler or pop it into the microwave at a low setting for about 30 seconds at a time to gently melt. Once it's melted, you can add your essential oils. We're going to add 5 drops of myrrh. This will help clean your skin and it has a very relaxing scent. We're also going to add 5 drops of Ravensara essential oil. This also has a very calming scent. Ravensara essential oil is great for calming and relaxing after a tough day. Now I'm going to give this a quick mix to make sure the oils are incorporated. And now I'm going to place my tapioca pearls into the bottom of my soap mold. These tapioca pearls are going to add texture and they are all natural. Now I'm going to add half of my tapioca pearls to the bottom of my mold, and then I'm going to pour half this mixture over this mold. Now I'm going to wait and let it harden. Once it's hardened, if you don't have another mold, you can melt this down again and reuse it to make another massage bar. You'll know these are set when they become white, and if you want to hurry up that process, you can pop them in the fridge. Otherwise, it'll take about 15 minutes to a half hour to harden. Once it is set, it'll look like this, and you can pop it out of the mold, and your skin will melt this as it's being rubbed on so that you get the full benefits of the essential oils along with the textured feeling of the tapioca pearls. To get everything you need to make this recipe plus more, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box. This month we're all about making our skin healthy naturally. So subscribe today to make your home more natural.